Hi, I'm going to show you how to make the Peking pork today. And I have 8 ounces of pork chop. And I got 1 egg here. And 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. And half teaspoon of salt. And for the sauce, I'm using 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Half a teaspoon of plum sauce. And half teaspoon of chili sauce. And 1/4 teaspoon of sweet bean sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of 5 spice powder. So now I'm going to put 1 egg in it, and I'm going to put cornstarch. And the cooking oil and some little salt. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm going to be deep fry it. I'm going to put the raw pork chop in the middle. Clear it up. And you deep fry it until they turn golden brown, then you remove it. Okay, that looks nice color now. So you turn the golden brown way now, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to turn all the heat right there. Then I'm going to put all the sauce together. Some ketchup. Some plum sauce in it. Some chili bean sauce. And some sweet bean sauce. And some sugar and pinch of 5 spice powder and some water. And I mix. Okay, the wok kind of hot right now. I'm going to put all the pork in it and put all the sauce in it. Okay, this is about done. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Then that is optional. I put top of the sesame seed, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. So, okay, that is what I make today. The Peking pork.